Hey, welcome to Rusty Bow. Told you last week we were going to test these, so that's exactly what we're going to do. Stay tuned. Okay, this was only probably about 5 or 10 yards at the most. I wanted to get one clean shot in before I took a chance of breaking these at 35 yards. So okay, let's test it farther out. Okay, knot tied. Let's do it. Okay, the chance of me getting that cord at 35 yards is not great, but we'll give it a try. Alright, that fell short. That fell short. That fell short. Well, at least I got a benchmark on the arc I'm going to need for these. They're a little, I didn't think they were all that heavy, frankly, but I might be just being paranoid with these two. Put this much time into them, you don't want to break them, right? I don't think the arrows are going to break so much, but the shafts could. So let's give it another whirl. All right, put a little more arc on them, see how they do. I hit it, but did not cut it. Yeah, that went a little weird. Okay, one hit, the other two are still short. Okay, so where are they here? We got, see, two there, and then the one that hit it and bounced. It must have just glanced it, because I don't see any cuts. I mean, if it had caught it, it would have cut it. So I must have just glanced it. You know, I'm encouraged just because I can get a couple of them. I can get all of them, like not hitting posts and stuff so far. Knock on wood. So I got a little bar for myself. So let's try one more time. 35. Big one falls short. Well, it came within about 8 inches, I think. That one went just to the left about 3 inches. Oh boy, I want to go one more round. All right. Well, here's the one that keeps falling short. But look at that. So these two on either side of the cord. I think we can do this eventually. If not today, then someday. But we'll try it again. I wonder how much weight I've added onto these arrowheads of the slushy mud. Maybe it'll help me. Jiggle the cord again. Oh, I heard it hit a pallet. Yeah, these arrows are not like the other ones, which when they hit something, they glance, they'll go on by. If this catches, then chances are, look at that, that caught the ball. All right, but I gotta see where this other one went. Oh God, it's buried under all this hay. Let's see if we can find it from the front, but I doubt it. There it is. Well, I gotta find the head. Well, I found one of my arrows in the stacks. I haven't seen in a while, and I think I know why I've been shooting so badly. See that shovel? I just found my arrowhead. I had to tear up all that mud and dirt underneath the pallet. It was frozen for about 3 inches. Had to break that up, break it apart, and that's what that caught in. Stuck in some frozen mud, pulled it right out of the shaft. Well, I fixed the arrowhead. Well, fixed it to the shaft again, so the one that I had lost in the frozen mud. And okay, yeah, but so it's going up, you know, glue setting, and I don't think I'm gonna be shooting it tonight, but it does look pretty, doesn't it? Oh wow, the one arrow is drying. I still have 2 good arrows. Unfortunately, I only have the 1 camera, so you only see the after shot, and probably only if I actually hit the rope. Well, it was kind of close. Let's go take a look. So, as you can see, arrow there, arrow in line with the rope, but no cigar. Oh! Well, I can see something's broken from there. Take a look. Oh, that was ugly. That survived. The little one I can see. Oh, man. Piece broke. Let's see what it hit. Wonder if it's sticking in there still. Nope. No, I think it hit right there. Wow, broke it. Yeah, sometimes you get the bear and sometimes the bear gets you. But this did give me a chance to look at the grain structure. I don't know if, there we go. And it is as I feared, that the whole thing was too hard. So the clay, the differential hardening, the clay quenching, this was a little too small for that. So I couldn't get the heat up there and not have it same throughout and not have it cool quickly even to the back, evidently. So yeah, so at least at that juncture. So, but I suspect the whole thing's like that. So okay, well, you know, I still have 2 left, and I'll make another one. I'll make a few more of these. I like these. These are fun. I'm just gonna have to toy around with the, you know. And this is made out of yeah, this is made out of like a valve stem. So so it tells me a little more about the valve stems too. So okay. All right, nothing yet. Broke another one. Well, that's cool. Okay. Well, apparently that rope is a bit too thick. All right, embedded in plywood. Woo!
Look at the boxing glove one there.
Oh, I still got to make one of those. All right. Nice. Very nice. All right, Bill. You get top honors for this. There you go. The crappy arrow that I pulled out of the field some weeks ago that we put up there. Bill, do the honors. Pull out this. Thanks for hanging out. I am not a great shot, but I know how to have fun. Hope you had a good week. See you on the other side of this one. You stay well. Be good. good enough.